Hey guys, what is up everyone? I'm Arnav. We are back again with yet another video, and this video is about OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. Now, we have seen a lot of rumors of the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro recently floating in the news everywhere. But now there's something special about these two devices that makes special from all those other current flagship devices. So let's get right into it. And before that, if you end up liking this video, do consider smashing the like button. And hey, if you appreciate our efforts on making this video, subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below. And let's get on to the video. So we all know that the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro will be coming up with the Snapdragon 855 processor, a full view display, a triple camera setup, etc. and etc. But there has been some more leaks as well as some more official confirmation of the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. Now the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro will be coming up with a HDR10 display. I repeat, it's not HDR10 Plus, it's HDR10 display. Now we can confirm this by seeing the partnership made by OnePlus to YouTube and Netflix to display HDR10 content. Now this makes really interesting that not only OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro going to come with a HDR10 display, but also with a fast 90 Hz refresh rate display, which makes it even buttery smooth user interface. Already OnePlus is well known for its fast user interface, and now even with the 90 Hz display, it will be buttery smooth. Now the next update of the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro is its water resistivity. Till that, no OnePlus device supports IP rating, and now OnePlus has released a small commercial in which a OnePlus device is dropped into a bucket of water. Seems pretty interesting, isn't it? Now OnePlus claims that if they buy a IP rating for their devices, it will cost the device more. So they instead just kept quiet by not getting an IP certification for its devices, but still managed to get its devices water resistance. Now they also say this particular thing in their advertisement, that if there is any water damage in the OnePlus 7 or 7 Pro, that is not accountable by the company and cannot be claimed in the warranty itself. So we can expect a P2P coating or something like that for its devices, but fingers crossed. I am also hoping for the device to come out this May 14. How many of you? Please do comment below. And there is one more interesting poll which I just thought to make it. Will the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro come with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner or an optical fingerprint scanner? Please do answer the poll. The poll is right here. We also got some interesting updates regarding the prices of the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro in India. Yes, the 6GB and the 128GB variant starts from 49,999. The 8GB and 256GB variant starts in India from 52,999, and a mega 12GB and a 256GB variant starts from 57,999. Now this is a bit near to the Galaxy S10 and the Huawei P30 Pro, but still they have managed to reduce the price somehow. But when you compare it with its predecessor devices like the OnePlus 6 and 6T, it's much higher, because the OnePlus 6 and 6T started from 35,000. Now this device is 10,000 more higher in its price range. These are some of the speculated prices, I believe, and it is not confirmed yet. But as I said, I'm fingers crossed for the May 14 event on the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. And if you want to see the review and also the unboxing of the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, like, share, and as I said, subscribe to our channel. This is now signing off. Till the next video. Peace.